Mike, what's one piece of advice you would tell someone that is yet to buy their first property in Elgin?
Your first one is important. It can't be a critical mistake. There, you just don't have that critical mass to have your first one be a loser. So partner with somebody maybe like myself or somebody else that has experience in that area. And I'm not even saying partner on the whole deal, but just have another set of eyes on it, to ask all of those different questions. The age of houses are really difficult to start your first one buying, that beautiful historic house. So, find something that's modest, that, is going to, you're not shooting for that home run on your first one. You're trying to, get your feet wet and figure out, how to make money on the first one.